Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget Dell monitors that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a monitor for work, gaming, or casual use, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Dell P2214HB Full HD 22-inch LED backlit monitor, a solid choice for those on a tight budget. This monitor, part of the Amazon Renewed lineup, offers flexible viewing features, including height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and the ability to rotate into portrait mode. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and in-plane switching, IPS technology, it delivers consistent and vibrant colors, even at a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Design-wise, the P2214HB is utilitarian but functional, with a sturdy stand and a small footprint. It also packs a wide array of connectivity options, including VGA, DisplayPort, DVI, and USB 2.0 ports, making it easy to connect to older and newer devices alike. However, the 250 nit brightness and 8 millisecond response time may not meet the needs of gamers or those working in brightly lit environments. The P2214HB is best suited for office work, casual media consumption, or as a secondary monitor. While it lacks modern features like USB-C or built-in speakers, it excels in versatility and reliability. Pros include its adjustable stand and excellent color reproduction, while cons include its dated design and limited brightness. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills monitor, this one is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Dell P2419H 23.8-inch ultra-thin bezel FHD monitor, another renewed product that offers an attractive package for professional use. The ultra-thin bezel design is perfect for multi-monitor setups, delivering a seamless viewing experience. With a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 and IPS technology, this monitor ensures vibrant and consistent colors across a wide viewing angle. The design is sleek, and the monitor stand is highly adjustable, allowing for height adjustments, tilt, and pivoting into portrait mode. It also features comfortview technology to reduce blue light emissions, making it ideal for long work sessions. While it offers HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA connectivity, it doesn't include USB-C, which might be a drawback for some users. This monitor is best suited for office professionals, or anyone needing a clean, space-efficient setup with great ergonomics. Pros include the slim bezels, vibrant display, and ergonomic stand, while cons are the lack of USB-C and average brightness. If you're looking for a capable and stylish monitor for work, the P2419H is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Dell 24 monitor, P2422H, a sleek and modern monitor designed with productivity in mind. This 23.8-inch Full HD monitor features IPS technology for vibrant and consistent colors, as well as comfortview Plus, which actively reduces blue light emissions without compromising color accuracy. This makes it perfect for extended use, whether you're working or streaming. The P2422H stands out for its extensive connectivity options, boasting 5 USB 3.0 ports in addition to HDMI and DisplayPort. The design is clean and professional, with a matte screen to minimize glare and a fully adjustable stand for height, tilt, swivel, and pivot. However, its brightness and contrast are average at 250 nits and 1000 to 1, which may not be ideal for content creators. This monitor is great for office use, coding, or as part of a multi-monitor setup. Pros include its ergonomic design, vibrant display, and extensive USB connectivity, while cons are its lack of USB-C and relatively low brightness. For those who prioritize comfort and connectivity, the P2422H is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Dell S2725DS monitor, a premium option for those seeking a high-resolution display on a budget. With a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 and a 100 Hz refresh rate, this 27-inch monitor strikes an excellent balance between performance and affordability. The 2V Rhineland 4-star eye comfort certification ensures reduced eye strain, making it perfect for long hours of use. The monitor's design is sleek, with an ash-white finish and a highly adjustable stand for tilt, height, swivel, and pivot adjustments. The integrated dual 5W speakers provide decent audio quality, a bonus for those who prefer an all-in-one solution. While it lacks USB-C connectivity, the QHD resolution and high refresh rate make it an excellent choice for productivity and casual gaming. This monitor is ideal for professionals and gamers who want sharp visuals and smooth performance without breaking the bank. Pros include the stunning QHD resolution, eye comfort certification, and versatile stand, while cons are the lack of USB-C and average speaker quality. Overall, it's a fantastic upgrade for those looking to enhance their workspace or gaming setup. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Dell S2725DS monitor, a premium 27-inch 4K UHD display that offers incredible value for its price. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and a three-sided ultra-thin bezel design, this monitor is perfect for professionals and creatives who need sharp, lifelike visuals. The USB-C port allows for single cable connectivity, transmitting video, audio, data, and power all at once. The design is modern and sleek, with a platinum silver finish that blends well into any workspace. The adjustable stand ensures ergonomic comfort, and the built-in dual 3W speakers add a layer of convenience. While the 60 Hz refresh rate and 8 millisecond response time may not appeal to hardcore gamers, it's more than sufficient for work and media consumption. This monitor is best suited for professionals, content creators, or anyone who values 4K resolution and USB-C convenience. Pros include the stunning 4K display, USB-C connectivity, and ergonomic design, while cons are the average refresh rate and limited gaming capabilities. If you're looking for the ultimate budget-friendly 4K monitor, the S2725DS is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect budget Dell monitor for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these monitors, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.